Air war. What is air war? Air war is a war, a conflict, a battle between those candidates who are contesting elections to get as much advertising on television and radio as possible. In recent years, online adverts, which are cheaper and can be more carefully targeted, have grown increasingly important. So, what does air war mean? Air war does not mean to conventional or traditional war between states, between regions, or between countries. Rather, air war is a war between contesting candidates to get as much advertising on television and radio as they can get. Take care. Allah Hafiz.